Hello everybody and welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art. Everybody, welcome to a new video. Okay, so today I'm gonna do something very fun. I'm gonna make something for Mother's Day. What am I going to make? We're gonna make a cuticle cream. Yes, you hear me correctly, a cream, not an oil, okay? So first I'm gonna decorate my little tube. I'm planning to put it in a lipstick tube so it's easier to apply on your cuticles, just like that, like you can see. That's how it looks. I ordered a set from 25 on Amazon. It's very cheap. So yeah, if you want to do it, you don't necessarily need a lipstick tube. You can put it in any container that you like, okay? But yeah, I choose to go for this lipstick container because I think it's a great idea to apply the balm to your nails. So first I'm gonna decorate my tube because yeah, that's not very flattering, like you can see. Not a very Mother's Day like present look. I already buffed it with a file, so the gel is going to stick great. I'm gonna use my CHILDEREN glue gel and the colors from CHILDEREN. So I want to use the silver holographic, and oh my god, look at that holo, guys, beautiful. And I want to make some, I want to apply the purple lilac holo as well, because the fragrance in the oil is gonna be lavender. And last but not least, we're gonna use this beautiful heart red radiant decorative glitters to finish everything off. And then on the top of my cap I have something very special from Charlie's nail art. I want to place a gorgeous heart made with beautiful crystals on top. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I think I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit because yeah, it's gonna take me a while, I think, to cover the complete lip balm. Of course, I'm also gonna use a couple of gloves because we don't want to have gel on my phalanges. I'm gonna use my handolly finger to help me out so we can paint this cap. Look how easy it is. So yeah guys, you can also use the fingers just to help you out with something else. Don't forget my discount code in my info box. I also have a discount code for Boo Boo's Glitter Glory and for Aimeili in my info box. So yeah, go and take a look. Okay, so now we're definitely going to start, okay? So I think I'm gonna start out with the biggest part. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply a base coat. So that's what I'm doing right here. By the way guys, keep in mind to do that in sections. Don't cover the complete cap because otherwise you're gonna have problems with curing that. So now I am applying my black coat. I'm using my black gel paint from Model 1s. I really love this gel paint a lot. Keep in mind to also apply very thin layers and also apply it in sections. You can also see how carefully I am on the top of the tube and at the end of the tube. You don't want to paint over that, otherwise your cap is not going to fit anymore. And at the bottom part you have the little wheel that you need to twist on to get your balm out. So if you also gonna paint over that little wheel, you are not gonna be able to open it anymore. So be very careful. Make sure that you are going close enough to the rim, but don't go over that rim. Okay, so here is it completely painted with my black model ones. I have done 2 coats. So now I am preparing my CHILDEREN glitters. I'm using a silver holographic and purple lilac. Hello! Yes, the purple because I gonna use some gorgeous lavender oil from model ones. So what I'm here doing is I'm applying my glue gel, cure it for 30 seconds, and again do it with little sections. Okay, remove your cap so you don't glue it together with your gel. You don't want that. Be careful for the little wheel at the end again, and cure that for 30 seconds. And there is the fun part, applying my CHILDEREN glitters. And oh my god, can I just tell you guys how gorgeous these glitters are. Oh mama. Usually I call them a glitter pigment because oh my god, like you can see, this glitter is so finely milled. Actually, I have never seen it before. So for me it is glitter pigment, okay? Just look at that and wait a minute when you're gonna see it closer up to the light. Oh my god, you're gonna be so impressed with the holo. So I'm trying to make sort of a camouflage pattern or a cow pattern. You know, you see it all over YouTube, the cow pattern. So yeah, you can use it every way. You can paint whatever you want on the sticks. Like, do you know the most stamping plates? Look at that holo. Did you see that? Ooh yes, big thumbs up, Sassy. So what I was saying, you probably know when you buy stamping plates, you always ending up with images that are way too big to use on your nails. Well, ladies and gents, here is your solution. You can still use them. Just use them on a little container. Yeah. Like, I have not done it right here because I want a very sparkly, glittery, gorgeous container, you know what I mean? But you can hand paint on it, you can use stamping on it, you can use whatever you want. Also, don't forget to glitter up or spice up the cap for this balm stick. Ooh, so here we go in with the second section. So here you can see clearly how I am doing it with little sections, just to make sure that everything is nice and cured completely. And let me tell you guys, that glue gel that I am using, wow. Yeah, needless to say anything about it because you can see how amazing all my glitter pigment is sticking on it. Oh my god, just look at that. And that's only one coat of CHILDEREN glitter pigment, okay? That's only one coat. By the way, if you are using the holographic glitter pigment from CHILDEREN, it is advised to always use a black background underneath it. That's gonna make sure that the holographicness is popping up in your nail or your container or whatever you're using it for, okay? So yeah, that's a little tip that I can give you. And you can see it, guys, even with light colors, the black underneath is not affecting it at all, okay? So don't be afraid to use black underneath it. Oh my god, just look at that. What do you think so far? I am in love. So the cap, the bottom of the cap, I'm gonna do completely with the purple lilac because my Charlie's nail art heart is gonna get right on there. And let me tell you, it's gorgeous. Look at that holo. Okay, so I'm gonna do the sides of my cap. See, that's why I'm wearing gloves, because no matter what, you're gonna have gel on your phalanges and you don't want it. You don't want to create an allergic reaction for gel, because then it is done with making beautiful nails for you, okay? Then it is over and out. So always wear gloves when you do something like that. Like you can see, I'm trying to matching up the colors like I did on the tube itself. So it is a nice design that is going through on the cap as well. Oh my god, I love it. I wish I was able to keep it myself, but hey, I'm not keeping it. No. Sadly enough, I don't have a mom anymore, but I have an amazing mother-in-law that I'm so grateful to have her, guys. Oh my god, that lady is so sweet. She accepted me and the family from day one. No matter what I ask her, she is always present to help me, to talk with me, to comfort me. She really is a woman of my heart, okay? So yes, my Mother's Day present, it's not for my own mom, it's for my mother-in-law. So mom, if you are watching, I love you. I really love you, and I really hope you're gonna love this little present that I'm making for you. So yes, a little bit emotional. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry, but I need to get it in there. Okay, so I'm buffing all the glitters in, so I am sure that there are no loose glitters that can be stuck in my top coat, because I'm gonna use my nail made top coat. And let me tell you guys, that top coat, ooh mama. Okay, so here are the beautiful Modern heart sequins. Because it's a Mother's Day, we're gonna make it a little bit cheesy, if you want to say so, you know, a little bit. Oh my god, I love you so much. That's the vibe that I wanna give with this. So I am applying my top coat also in sections. Keep that in mind. If you do a little container, always work in sections, okay? Be careful for the little wheel so it keeps turning, and be careful for the place where the cap needs to go. When the top coat is still wet, just apply your sequins. Just like that. That's how easy it is, okay? By the way guys, YouTube is probably going to close my comments again. I still don't know why, because I'm only doing nail videos on this channel. But hey, what the heck, right? We already are used on it, I guess. So if you want to leave a comment, please do so. You can also you can always go to my YouTube community. I always share all my videos there. There you are able to comment, or you can always leave a comment on my Instagram. With every video I post a picture or a little video clip for the video that is coming on my channel. So yeah, you are always able to leave a comment on my Instagram on that picture or little clip. So I am using the Boo Boo Glitter Glory Gem Glue. You can buy it with her for only $1, guys. Only $1 freaking. That's nothing, right? And let me tell you, once you use it, it's stuck there. It's stuck there forever. Yes, it is. If you are one of the first 50 buyers from this gem, what is the name again? Gem glue. Oh my god, gem gel. That's the right word. If you're one of the first 50 ones, then you're gonna receive a free nail art brush. How cool is that? So here is my finished product. Look how cute and adorable it is. I love it. I definitely gonna decorate one for me. So here you can also see the cream that I made. It's not really a cream, it's like a wax. I use all natural ingredients. So yeah, it works beautifully. I have lavender oil and tea tree oil in it, because it's a very soothing and healing for the skin. You can also use it on the temples of your head when you have some headaches. It really helps, great for that. If you want to see how I made this cream, let me know in a comment, okay? So let me know, because if I see there is no interest in how I made the cream itself, yeah, then I don't gonna make a video for it as well. So yeah, if you want to see it in a video, if you want to know the recipe how I made this cuticle cream, hit me up in a comment, okay? I'm happy to share it with you, only if I see there is enough interest to. It's very easy to make, it's very quick to make, and it works, guys. You're gonna see a picture in a minute, a before and an after picture, and oh my god, the difference is huge. And I only use it the time where you see me applying it on this moment, okay? It works like a dream. I also want to thank my two sweet girls, because for Mother's Day they baked me an amazing, beautiful, colorful cake, and oh my god, let me tell you guys, the taste was delicious. So here are the oils that I have used. But yeah, I'm gonna insert some pictures from the complete cake and one little piece of the cake so you can see how it looks inside. So thank you very much, my beautiful daughters. You made mommy so happy. I'm so happy you spent all the time to making this cake for me. I really love that you did this for me, honey bunnies. Thank you so much, and mama loves you so much. So yeah, I made a bunch of this cream like you can see. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave you now. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike, give me a thumbs down. You already know, I don't care. Geef deze beker een bro. And stay sassy. Bye and a happy Mother's Day.